Elon Musk invites everyone to buy Tesla stock, following shareholder approval of his $1 trillion pay package, tied to ambitious growth targets including the $400 billion EBITDA goal. Parents and activists protested at India Gate over Delhi's worsening air quality, with some detained for assembling without permission on Sunday. Meghalaya's Akash Kumar Chaudhary became the first player to hit 8 consecutive sixes in a row, and recorded the fastest half-century in first-class cricket, of 11 deliveries, during the Ranji Trophy match. The Jubilee Hills by poll campaign ended on Sunday, with KTR and Azharuddin leading a door-to-door push for their candidates in Hyderabad. Astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope have found 2 unknown phenomena in Saturn's atmosphere, which should not exist according to current knowledge. Congress disclaims MP Shashi Tharoor's defense of LK Advani's legacy is personal, not official stance. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat invites Muslims and Christians to join on the condition of unity within Hindu society. Adani Enterprises is poised to win Jayaprakash Associates through insolvency, offering 2-year payment plan over Vedanta's immediate payment proposal. China grants exemptions to export controls on Nexperia chips for civilian applications, helping to relieve supply shortages for car makers and automotive suppliers. India's wealthy elite prioritize health over finances, valuing personal trainers, therapists, and nutritionists more than financial advisors. Now, the grey market premium for Lenskart Solutions has crashed to zero, erasing pre-listing excitement ahead of its Monday stock market debut. China Eastern Airlines launched direct Shanghai-Delhi flights with near full capacity, becoming the first mainland Chinese carrier to resume service after a 5-year gap. On World Pneumonia Day, be aware of 7 early warning signs of pneumonia and protect your health to prevent further complications. Bangladesh reports its highest single-day dengue cases with 1195 hospitalizations and 6 more deaths recorded. A global study found India had 138 million people with chronic kidney disease in 2023, making it the second highest after China now. The condition was a leading cause of death globally. A Rutgers study finds metformin, a diabetes drug, may counteract exercise benefits by blunting improvements in blood vessel function and blood sugar control. Doctors at FMRI Gurugram report exceptional success in curing children with sickle cell disease through bone marrow stem cell transplantation. Students make daily mistakes that ruin their study routine, such as poor planning and constant distractions. But fixing these habits can lead to success with a well-established schedule. SpaceX has deployed 28 new Starlink satellites from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California, expanding internet coverage. Asteroid 2025 TF flew close to Earth, unnoticed until hours later, passing just a few hundred miles from the International Space Station's orbit zone. Growing public perception that AI is already smarter than people matters more than the technology itself, as AI mirrors human reasoning and challenges traditional notions of consciousness. NASA's Escapade Mars mission, launched tonight aboard Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, aims to mark a significant milestone in space exploration with its twin spacecraft. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has released new data from Chandrayaan-2 to enhance understanding of the Moon's polar regions, gathered since entering lunar orbit in 2019. Jupiter will be visible next to the Moon on November 9, a rare celestial event for stargazers. ISRO has collected advanced data from Chandrayaan-2 lunar orbiter to study the Moon's polar regions, including its physical and dielectric properties. Students from Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technologies, Strato X 2025 mission entered the India Book of World Records for their near space exploration achievement. Discover fitness tracker without distracting screens. Focusing on quiet logging of steps, sleep, and calories burned. Ideal for mindful tracking. Reliance Jio starts offering free Google AI Pro access to eligible users, boosting India's AI adoption with its premium features. Ford marks the 60th anniversary of its iconic Mustang with an immersive experience in Los Angeles, celebrating a milestone in automotive history. Google has updated Google Maps in India with Gemini integration, bringing AI-powered voice assistance and features for smarter, more localized travel. Priyanka Chopra may not be part of Mahesh Babu's upcoming film Globetrotter, scheduled for its first glimpse on November 15, 2025. Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming film King is shaping up to be a high-octane action spectacle, featuring 6 massive international-scale action sequences. The Tamil Film Producers Council has announced a new rule, requiring big-budget film producers to share profits with top actors and technicians. A viral screenshot claims to show Salman Khan commenting on Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's baby announcement, but the truth is yet to be confirmed. Ek Koodi maintains momentum at Indian box office, earning 200% more than its opening day and still on track to enter the safe zone despite a slow start. Bollywood couple Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal have shared glimpses of their new sea-facing, luxurious home in Juhu. They welcomed their first child, a baby boy, on November 7th. Thamma sees upward trend during third weekend with Ayushmann Khurrana achieving his third double century at the box office. Germany and the UK have raised alarms over Russian and Chinese satellite interference, with their own assets being stopped and jammed weekly, posing risks to military communication and navigation. A Taliban spokesperson claimed that Pakistan will fail in any covert operation against Afghanistan, citing its inability to control TTP attacks on its own soil. Leaked texts reveal a feud between Charlie Kirk, Ben Shapiro, and Candace Owens as Shapiro accused Owens of making wild claims about his death. A British spy claim suggests intercepted calls led Canada to link India to a fatal shooting, amid efforts by New Delhi and Ottawa to rebuild their relationship. US President Donald Trump defends his pro-tariff stance, calling opponents fools and claiming tariffs have made America stronger and wealthier. A pyramid-shaped peak has emerged in the Peruvian Amazon, sparking global interest and scientific uncertainty about its origin. Russian Foreign Minister Lavrov is willing to meet US Secretary of State Marco Rubio but insists Russia won't abandon its core conditions for ending the Ukraine war. Indians are being lured to Myanmar through social media platforms and promised lucrative IT jobs, but end up trapped in cyber scam hubs. Sebastian Vettel advises Oscar Piastri to stand by him and receive support as he suffers another significant blow in his championship hopes. Pakistan claimed their record 6th Hong Kong Sixers title, defeating Kuwait in the final with a dominant performance from their bowlers. Max Verstappen will start the Sao Paulo Grand Prix from the pit lane due to Red Bull's changes, under park-firm conditions, including a new power unit. South Africa stunned India's test bowlers with a record chase, reaching 417 to level the series on Day 4 at BCCI Centre of Excellence Ground 1 in Bengaluru. Pakistan has dropped batter Hassan Nawaz from the upcoming Odis and T20I Tri-Series. With no replacement announced for the Odis, Fakhar Zaman joins the T20I squad.